Hello guys, welcome to another money making app tutorial. We're going to show you guys Perk word search today. This is a Perk application that you guys can download to make some extra money, and in combination with all those other Perk applications you can stack up those Perk points. Now I'm on an Android device. You can go to the Google Play Store, type in Perk word search like so, and download it. It's also available for iOS. We already have it installed. I want to show you my PayPal real quick because I use Perk quite frequently, and as you can see, daily I've been doing the $2 instant PayPal cash outs. So there's your payment proof. Let's go right into the app. Now right when you open it up, you're going to see something like this. If you don't have an account, create one. You don't need a million accounts, you just need one. And if you already have one, just log in, and right at the top you're going to see that green star. That's your Perk points. That's what you're going to be using to cash out to gift cards, PayPal, stuff like that. And you're going to have two options. You're going to have your quick play and your theme play. A quick play, you can select 2 words and you can win a point in 8 seconds, or you can find 3 words and win 2 points in 20 seconds. Also on the theme play, there's 2 different themes you can select. There's food and drink and sports. Now if you select the theme play, you have a lot more time. I think it's like a minute. Yeah, you have 1 minute to find all these words. So let's see how we could do. Big key. Oh, who can't find chocolate? Let's find some more. Let's see. I am running out of time and I'm having a brain fart here. Yeah, I think that's Phil. Oh, I just saw butter. Well, I got a point. I got 3 words found. We can quit this game. Let's go over to the quick play. Let's try that out, see how I do. I'm not very good at crosswords, but if you're good at crosswords, maybe you do a lot better than me. Let's see if we can find goal. Here we go. Coffee, coffee, where are you? I love coffee. And I think that's Phil. Didn't get any points, we only got 1 word. But this will just keep on playing. It'll go over and over again if you don't click anything. Harp. Yeah, let's just let it play and let's see what happens. Didn't get anything, we got a point. It pays to participate. So let's talk about cashing out. You can go to the Perk website. You can also use the Perk wallet app, but I like to use the Perk website for cashing out. You can see there's my Perk points in the top right. Click on rewards. You got gift cards, tokens, prizes, PayPal, instant PayPal. I would pay attention to the gift cards, PayPal, and instant PayPal. I think those are some of the best ways to cash out, in my personal opinion. Under gift cards, a lot of people like to do Amazon. Once it loads up, you can see you can do 25 cents for 350 or $100 all the way up to for 100,000 points, perk points. And then you can also do PayPal. You could do $5 for 9,000 up to 100 for 140,000 points. Now PayPal is going to be a little bit more price heavy on your points, but you can spend that anywhere, or you can transfer that to your bank account. The thing I like to do, which I showed in the beginning, is the instant PayPals. I believe, and I've looked at my history, and I've had a question about this before, that they can't see their instant PayPals. I would say try making sure that your PayPal is verified, and you also have done a PayPal cash out with Perk before you start using the instant PayPal. Try doing that and see if that works. If not, I would submit a ticket to Perk and ask them what's going on, or ask them for some help. But I was looking at my history and I saw that, so I want to bring that up. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this app. I mean, it's pretty simple. There's not much more to go into, but enjoy it. Add it to your other Perk applications, and it's gonna all stack up for your Perk points, and in the end you're gonna be able to cash out more money. So with that said, thank you for stopping by for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give me a like if you did. Subscribe, it helps out the channel, and you also are gonna see more content like this in the future. And as always, happy earnings, and I will see you guys in the next video.